If a to the power x is equal to bc, b to the power y is equal to ac, and c to the power z is equal to ab, then prove that x into y into z is equal to x plus y plus z plus 2. Hello viewers, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to solve this question. It is given by the question that a to the power x is equal to bc, and b to the power y is equal to ac, and c to the power z is equal to ab. And by using these three relations, we have to show that x into y into z is equal to x plus y plus z plus 2. Now let us begin the solution. First of all, we are going to start from here. The first equation, that is a to the power x is equal to bc. Now we are going to raise both the sides of this equation to the power y. So it becomes a to the power x raised to the power y is equal to bc whole raised to the power y. Again, in the next line, the left hand side becomes a to the power x to the power y is equal to a to the power x into y, and in the right hand side, bc whole to the power y is equal to b to the power y into c to the power y. And it is given that b to the power y is equal to ac. So in the next line, we are going to substitute this b to the power y with ac, so it becomes a to the power xy is equal to ac into c to the power y. Again, in the next line, it becomes a to the power xy is equal to a c into c to the power y is equal to c to the power y plus 1. Again, we are going to raise both sides of this equation to the power z. So it becomes a to the power xy raised to the power z, and right hand side a to into c to the power y plus 1 whole raised to the power z. A into c to the power y plus 1 raised to the power z. This is equal to a to the power z into c to the power y plus 1 into z. And in the next line, it becomes a to the power x into y into z in the left hand side, and the right hand side becomes a to the power z into c to the power y plus 1 into z is equal to c to the power z into y plus 1. And this can be written as c to the power z whole raised to the power y plus 1, but c to the power z is equal to ab, so it becomes ab whole raised to the power y plus 1. In the next line, it becomes, the right hand side becomes a to the power z into a to the power y plus 1 into b to the power y plus 1. We can continue here. So here it becomes a to the power x into y into z is equal to, we have to multiply these two expressions, so it becomes a to the power y plus z plus 1 into b to the power y plus 1. Again, in the next line, we can split this b to the power y plus 1 into two parts, b to the power y into b to the power 1, that is b. Again, b to the power y can be substituted with a into c, so right hand side becomes a to the power y plus z plus 1 into ac into b, because b to the power y is equal to ac. So in the next line, it becomes a to the power y plus z plus 1 plus this one also will be added here, and there remains b into c. But b into c, bc is equal to a to the power x. It is given by the equation. Now we can substitute this here. So it becomes a to the power y plus z plus 2 into, for bc we can substitute a to the power x. Again, we have to multiply these two expressions with the same base, so their exponents will be added, so it becomes x plus y plus z plus 2. And the left hand side is a to the power x into y into z. Now these two expressions are equal and they have same basis. Now we can conclude that their exponents are also equal, that is x into y into z is equal to x plus y plus z plus 2. Hence it is proved. So guys, this much for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and also to drop your valuable comment in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.